There's 3 million chainsaws every year, and from that 3 million sales, there's 28,000 injuries. That doesn't sound like a whole lot. Most injuries are not fatal. Most injuries are just to the hand, the arms, the legs. The least amount of injuries are actually, believe it or not, to the head and the neck. So today, we're gonna try out a little bit of a leg injury, see what a chainsaw. Now this isn't a very big chainsaw, but it's still a chainsaw, so we're gonna see what it would do to your leg if you touch down on your leg.